Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make stickers transparent on CapCut PC. It's super simple. Just select the stickers button here and select the sticker that you want to make transparent. There's a lot you can choose from, but what I basically mean is, like, if you want to make the sticker see-through, I'm just going to add this, for instance, on top of the video. So I'm just going to right click and then I'm going to select create compound clip. And then here is where I can adjust it. Go to blend mode and select the brighten or screen one, or you can just select the normal or even the overlay one. Okay, maybe not the overlay one. Just select the normal blend mode, and here you can adjust the opacity to make the sticker transparent, I guess. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!